Oh, Bantayan Island! Bantayan Island!
Welcome to Madre Dios, Cebu. Here's our student, our children, pupils. Mga nakaupad man. Pupils. Ina. Ingnay mo, pangalan ka. Name mo?
I'm Mitch Alphon.
Okay, ikaw. Maulaw man ikaw.
I'm Samuel Bacolod.
Oh, ikaw.
I'm Samuel Bacolod.
Ikaw ga.
Angel Bacolod. I'm Ariana.
Ikaw.
Angel.
Ikaw.
I'm Ralph.
Paila dayon, kagwapo sunod mo.
I'm Static Forever. No!
Ikaw.
Borrow Static Forever. Kumukid.
Kumukid, ikaw ga. Okay na. Our children is playing here at the beach. There is Kota Park. Here's our white sand. You know this? White sand. White na.
Dahil na kayo pagtataga, kayo pag ito na tag-upload.